Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, How to Hack the Nintendo Wii Part 8. Today I'm going to show you how to install USBLoader GX. At this point you should have watched all of my videos already and you should have installed the D2X CIOS installer. If you haven't done that, I put a link below to that video. You're going to need to do that. USBLoader GX won't work without the D2X CIOS installer. So again, if you haven't done that, please go back and do that. The reason you're going to need USBLoader GX is so you can play Nintendo Wii and GameCube games from it. You're also going to need an external hard drive, so if you don't have one, you're going to need one. And it also must be formatted to FAT32. So if your hard drive isn't formatted to FAT32, I have another video in the description below. There's a link that will show you how to do that. It's quite simple. It's very quick. So anyways, let's get started. Let's show you how to do this. Go to this website, which is in the description below, and you want to download the USBLoader GX program as well as the channel forwarding WAD, which is 5.1 fixed. So we're going to download the program first. You have to wait a few seconds for this ad to finish. There it is, going into my downloads folder. So I'm going to go into that folder. There it is. And now I want to download that WAD that I was telling you about. So we're going to go back to the same website. You hit back. And download the forwarder. There it is. So here I want to extract the program. And I want this apps folder, so I'm going to cut this out of here. I'm going to put it in the root of my SD card. Everything that was in that apps folder is going to copy into the existing apps folder. Now I want to go back to my downloads folder and I want that WAD, so I'm going to cut it out of here. I'm going to go into my WADs folder on my SD card. I'm going to click in there. I'm going to go into channels, open up that folder, and I'm just going to paste it right in here. Now that you've done that, make sure your external hard drive is connected to your computer, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to get your Wii games to play. My Wii ROMs are in a folder on my computer. I'm going to show you what I've done with these. So let's go into where my ROMs are by clicking here. You'll see this WBFS folder in here. So let's click on that and see what the games look like. That WBFS folder is very important though. That's the folder you're going to want to put on your external hard drive. In this folder is where I'm going to keep my games. So you can see I have a few games here. The title of the game is in the folder name, but there's also this letter and number combination in brackets. When I click on the folder, you can see that the game is named the same letter and number combination that's in the file folder name. This may sound confusing, but if you just follow along and do exactly as you see it here, your games will work. If you don't name your games the letter and number combination that you have in the file folder name, the games will not work. Once you have the games you want, they're named properly, they're in the proper file folders, and they're in a WBFS folder, it's time to head over to your Nintendo Wii. On the back of your Wii, you're going to see these two USB slots. What you're going to want to do is plug in your external hard drive into the bottom slot. So as you can see here, I've plugged in my USB cord that goes to my external hard drive into the bottom slot of the Wii. Once you've done that, hook your Wii up to your television. Make sure that your SD card is also installed, and let's go. Once your Wii is all set up and it's hooked up to your TV with the SD card and external hard drive connected, go into the Homebrew channel. Press start. From here, go into the Multi-Mod Manager and click load. You want to go into the iOS Manager. Go over to the 249, click the home button to install it. Once it's done installing, press B to go back. Go to the WAD manager. Click A, scroll down to the WADs. Click A. Go into channels, find your USBLoader GX file, click A to install it. This is going to install a channel for you. Click A again. Done. Press any key to continue. Press B to go back. B again. You don't need to be in here anymore, so let's exit out. Click the home button on your Wii remote. Brings you back to the homebrew channel. So from here, exit out to the system menu by pressing the home button. And you can see I've got a USBLoader GX channel on my home screen. Let's go into it. Press start. If your hard drive isn't properly formatted to F32, it won't initialize it, it won't find it, you're gonna get an error, but mine was done properly. So as you can see, here are my Nintendo Wii games. Let's go into them. Let's see if they work properly. Donkey Kong Country Returns. Let's press start. I don't need to go into any actual gameplay, so let's exit out of here and try another game, Mortal Kombat Armageddon. While this is loading, you probably notice that there is no cover art for the games. We are going to get cover art though. I will show you how to do that in another video, but for this video I'm just going to show you that the Nintendo Wii games do work. That's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install and play GameCube games. Until then, thanks for watching.